Alrighty, we're gonna shoot this new whipper. Yeah. Got a softball and 35 pounds of counterweight, plus the hanger, probably 5 pounds. So I needed that trigger line. Alright, don't drop it. I have the 15-footer's trigger on it. It looks funny. Alright, so I've made adjustments. So, because we don't really know what it's going to do, I kind of know what it's going to do. So I've set a lot of things, a lot of timing points. Got drop point set by the gap, and you've got sling length, you've got mass ratio, you've got release pin angle. So I've set everything. Hopefully we'll get a good drop. First shot, baby whipper. That was awesome. Need to check the video and see what it was doing. First shot, baby whipper. That looks good. 100 to 1 mass ratio, shooting a softball.